Alright YouTube, first step I'm gonna do, which you don't have to, is I'm gonna turn my gas off. They say do that so when you put an oil in, it don't go straight to the car where the gas attendant at. Hey bro, yo, what's going on boss? Let me get $6.93. And what I also do is I store my oil right here in the baby bottle. I usually get half a gallon, so I got it pre-made right here. 1.8 is what I mix for a half a gallon. Thank you. So I'll put some in. Oh, hold up. So we already put in almost a half a gallon, as you see. So I'm gonna dump all this oil in.
You pump the gas a
little bit more. Alright, that's it. A little bit more. A little bit more, that's it. Alright, that's it. Alright, now that's the rest, that's it. That's how I'm gonna get the rest of the oil out the baby bottle. I was supposed to mix it up, but it's a little bit full. So that's done. Now, put the top on, mix the bike up. There's different ways of mixing it. I kind of mix them all up in one. So first I do the shake. Shake it a couple times, then I hold the front brake hard. Now you can turn the gas back on. Oh yeah, before you do that too, always have your Kickstarter ready, just in case they come, you're ready to kick it on. Oh yeah, as you see, I gave him $6, but it only came out to $2.23. You can just give me 3 back, boss. I'm filled up right now. So what else I'm gonna do to mix it up is I'm gonna put it in first gear and pop like 2 or 3 wheelies and then put it right back down. You go, boss. So I'm in first gear right now. Oh, I stalled out. I just pop it up and down a couple times. I'm scared to wheelie in first gear because my friend fell and fucked his back and his neck up, but I'm gonna show y'all. I'm not trying to lift it up high, but just enough to mix it up. It's already mixed up, but I'm gonna just do this to be on the safe side. Let me get a good 2 or 3 in there for y'all. There you go, that's 1, 2, 3. One more for good luck. Alright. It's that simple, YouTube. It don't take long. As long as you got your oil already mixed. I got more oil in my bag, which is filled up baby bottles, but I mix 3.6 to the gallon. Then I'll do 1.8 for a half a gallon. Then I'll do 0.9 for a quarter gallon. So remember them numbers. Whole lot of space and opportunity, YouTube. telling me good job, but get the fuck out the street. Hand cramping up. Can't control it, YouTube, but I gotta learn how to control her. Make her go the way I want her to. It's a nice hill right there, YouTube. I went uphill, now let's try to go down. Well, now we're straight. Try to bring her back up. She ain't want to come back up for me. Woo. Both of my arms getting tired, YouTube. My wrists, my arms, my hands. No excuses. Huh? crazy drop back.